EES Consultancy. Kandava, a small town nestled in the picturesque landscape of western Latvia, invites you to discover its tranquil charm and captivating natural beauty. Surrounded by rolling hills, lush forests, and meandering rivers, Kandava offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The town's idyllic setting makes it a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. One of Kandava's notable landmarks is the Kandava Castle ruins, a testament to its rich historical past. These ancient ruins provide a glimpse into the town's medieval heritage and offer a serene backdrop for exploration and contemplation. Kandava is also known for its thriving arts and culture scene. The town hosts various cultural events throughout the year, including concerts, exhibitions, and theatrical performances. The Kandava Cultural Center serves as a hub for artistic expression and community engagement. The town's close-knit community fosters a welcoming and friendly atmosphere. Locals take pride in their traditions, and you'll often find them celebrating local festivals and preserving folk customs that have been passed down through generations. For those seeking outdoor adventures, Kandava offers opportunities for hiking, cycling, and horseback riding. The nearby Abava River provides a scenic backdrop for leisurely walks and fishing enthusiasts. At EES Consultancy, we believe in promoting the hidden gems of Kandava and sharing its unique qualities with the world. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat, an immersion into Latvian culture, or an exploration of nature's wonders, Kandava offers a rewarding experience. Join us as we delve into the beauty of Kandava, uncover its treasures, and invite you to create cherished memories in this enchanting town.